Hey everyone, this is Som, and today is for 13th August, that is Tuesday, and I am recording it at 10:09 p.m. because I already record a video that no voice is received, so I have to record it again. I wake up at 5 a.m., then drink water, and again went to sleep, and I realized that I was sleeping, so I went up at 6 a.m. and go to run. I think I did not complete much more in that time, but I went to run. I do yoga then, and then I came home to read. Then yoga, not meditation. After meditation, I came home. I read book, The Courage to Be Disliked, in which he author is talking about why people can change. Trauma does not exist. People fabricate anger. How to live without being controlled by the past. Are you okay just as you are? Happiness, unhappiness is something you choose for yourself. In this, he is arguing that any cause does not represents कि आपके लाइफ किधर जाएगा. ठीक है, एनी कॉज डज नॉट रिप्रेजेंट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू बिकम, व्हाट यू कैन अचीव. कि कुछ रीज़न हुआ तो उस रीज़न का वजह से हम एंग्री फील करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं है. एंगर फील करने का वजह एक पर्पस है जो ऑथर यहाँ पे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि जैसे आई एम सिटिंग ऑन अ टेबल एंड वेटर केम ऑन एंड स्प्लिट सम टी ऑन माई क्लॉथ्स, so I get angry. And normal people will say that, normal psychology will say that he get angry because he get a cause from the waiter that his dress is suddenly dirty, so he get angry. But when author put it in the other way, like I given you the knife, so you get angry, then can you kill the waiter? So the when I am in this condition, I will think that no, that's too absurd. I can't kill the waiter. That's too harsh for it. So what I want to achieve in both conditions, even if I have the knife, I will yell at him. I will shout at him that you did wrong. Okay, you are wrong. Why did you do? Okay, so that's the reason author is talking about कि, कि cause does not determine कि कॉज डज नॉट डिटरमाइन कि अ, हम लोग को एंगर आता है, हम लोग को इमोशन आता है, कॉज वो डिटरमाइन नहीं करता. हम लोग एंगर कॉज का वजह से नहीं हुए हैं. हम लोग एंगर कॉज का वजह से नहीं हुए. हम लोग एंगर इस वजह से हुए क्योंकि हम लोग का इंटरनल में ये बिलीफ था कि वो गलत है, और ये फील कराने के लिए हम लोग एंग्री हुए. सो इन द अदर केस इफ दैट थिंग्स happens, why we not should represent and say things like that, hey, it's okay, can you please give me a towel to clean this. ये भी पूछ सकते थे. बट what our purpose is that कि we have to convince him that he did wrong and we are right to judge him. Then I went, then I learned some Excel, and then I went to the college because my practical exams are going. And in computer science, I already cheated. There are two questions only came in my exam, so I cheated on them. But after cheating, I just learned every question that I write on my program and answered all the Viva questions. I thought it was very difficult, but when I giving this, my responses are very fast, and I I think I perform well than I did expected. Then ca- then I am the way of coming home. I was in Toto, and I was just reading book, the same book, The Courage to Be Disliked. When I came home, I slept for some time and then taught my student. After taughting her, I went to the gym, meet Bhaiya. He helped me to do some more exercises. Then after that, I came from gym. I took a bath and went for mandir. After mandir, I am doing spoken. I went to meet my friend Ketan. Just after meeting them, I went to do my class, spoken English class, which held on 8:30 p.m. and 9:30 p.m. If you want to join, then message me. I will send you the link. And after that, I am generaling is this now, and that's okay. I will meet you in the next wonderful day of 14th August, Wednesday, and my electronics practicals are going. So study now.